Hare Krishna, a very warm welcome to everybody for this class today. Thank you so much. Sorry, I did have a couple of technical issues, and that's why we just logged in a bit late. So we'll just start with a very small prayer. Om Ajnanatimirandasya Jnananjanashalakhaya Chakshurum Militam Yena Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. Namo Vishnu Padaya Krishna Prishtaya Bhutale Srimate Bhakti Vedanta Swami Niti Namine. Namaste Saraswate Deve Gauravani Pracharine Nirvishesh Shunyavadi Paschat Desh Tarini. जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवासादि गौर भक्त वृंद हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे. So a very warm welcome to everybody. So today we're going to discuss about temporary happiness. So this temporary happiness, we last time actually had discussed about two types of problems, two types of happiness also before that. So we'll see what is two types of happiness we have. जैसे permanent problem and temporary problem है, वैसे permanent happiness and temporary happiness भी है. So under temporary happiness, we have painkiller and cure. So if you see, just to start with, if I ask you all that, have you ever really wanted something, you felt very happy, and when you got it after some time, that happiness disappeared? Or what do you think that when you received that, you were very happy, but maybe just when you got that particular thing, then after that, that happiness disappeared. Once you get it, then what are your thoughts on this? Maybe you could just type it in the chat box. What do you think, Nishtavati, Ritika, Samruddhi, Gayatri? Others can also reply. You can type it in the chat box. Okay. So the question is that have you ever really wanted something and you felt very happy when you got it? And then after some times that happiness disappeared. It could be any example, maybe a teddy bear, or maybe you wanted admission in some college, school, or maybe you wanted to go to a favorite place, right? Okay, so she was Ritika saying Govinda's food, yes. So yeah, you ate Govinda's ka food. You like the pav bhaji, maybe you like the pizza, but it was just temporary, right? Yes, food. Okay, you eat something good. So, if you see over here, we refer to painkillers as drugs, meant to cover up some mask or some numb pain. If I've had a small hurt or something, then there is a painkiller given. So, what are the disadvantages of actually these painkillers are? These painkillers are actually very cheap, firstly, and very easily available, and they will provide some very quick relief from that particular pain. And what will these painkillers do? These painkillers का जो advantages है कि they are very easily available also, and they will go to the root problem and they will cure it. But however, the disadvantages are that of these painkillers are that there is no permanent cure, and there will be side effects also, and it can make the disease even worse. So painkillers are helpful, and they are best used only with permanent solutions that give a complete cure. Like for example, when you go to a doctor with some pain, he will give you an antibiotic also and a painkiller also. He will couple it up with two things and then he'll give. Which means what? कि आपकी जो दर्द है या आपका जो पेन है, it will have some relief also. Pain relieving भी होगा, but it will cure also. If it is coupled up with these two things, then yes, what to say, the pain will go away and the painkiller will have some effect on that. But now if you see that there are three popular painkillers for temporary happiness. So I have put it as an acronym as SMS. Okay. Sense gratification and scientific advancement, and mind and energy healing, and superficial spirituality. So like when you say sense gratification, scientific advancement, suppose you have desired something, I want something, and you want it, right? And you got it also, versus you are feeling peaceful inside. So for example, you have desired that maybe I wanted some particular thing, okay, and you got that also, but then after some time you are not feeling peaceful because it became a headache for you. Like if you see in the modern times only, gadgets are only there. Sometimes you feel, why do I have this phone? Every time it keeps on ringing and people keep on disturbing me. And, unnecessary when I'm sleeping also, people are, of course, we have the silent mode. But sometimes, it's on vibrating mode, or you're in a meeting, somebody just calls you, or you're even driving, somebody's calling you. Every time you have to get disturbed, oh, I'm driving and somebody's call is come. So all the time there are people, who are after you when you are actually, having a telephone. So this is one of the, disadvantages you can say. But when I'm talking about sense gratification, okay, and when we say sense gratification and some scientific advancement. So in that, when you say sense gratification is the pleasure for our eyes, ears, nose, tongue, skin with the objects of enjoyment. Just for example, with our tongue, we can, taste food. That does not mean we stop eating food, but the food gives happiness to our tongue, right? But that food gives happiness to our tongue only till the time it is there in our mouth. Once you gulp it down, then, there is no happiness. That's finished, like that happiness is that much momentary. Like, over here, there is an example of this moth, and this particular moth is thinking that if I move towards the light, I will get happiness. So through his, this moth, it is sparkling fire is attracting that moth to its own destruction only. And if you see, even for this deer, no, there is a hunter, and these hunters, what they do, they actually they play the melodious music, and this deer, no, it keeps on hearing that melodious music and actually finally falls into the trap of that particular hunter. So through its ears, it is hearing, and then it gets trapped. For this moth also, it is actually seeing and it gets trapped, right? And even for this, there is a musk deer, and that musk deer actually has kasturi in its own body only. But what happens is, because of the very strong smell of that kasturi, it keeps on running, thinking that where is this smell coming from? But actually, that smell is coming from his own belly only, that way. And even the fish with the tongue, it falls in the trap of, the fishermen. They put that bait and then it gets trapped. So if you see, even in the jungle, when uh, when they have to trap that he elephant, then actually they actually train that she elephant over there, and then he falls into that particular pit. And that's how, these all animals that are there, with eyes, ears, nose, skin, tongue, they get trapped. Elephant gets trapped with the skin part. And that's how, if gratifying the senses is giving actually a lot of happiness, then that unlimited happiness that is there, and unlimited sense gratification that is there, then uh, that should offer even infinite happiness also. So science has progressed so much that it is promising also to increase the scope of pleasure. And when that stops, people in this modern age, they go in for instant gratification. Like for example, if you see over here, there are some drawbacks also of this painkiller. That is temporary patchwork. So one day, one man, he was following a very pretty girl from a far distance, and then he was seeing her that she's walking down so gracefully on the first floor of the apartment. And then what he did, in his anticipation, he climbed the tree and with the binoculars, and then he's seeing through the binoculars. But only to his disappointment, what is he seeing? He's seeing that this lady, she removes her Nakli Bal. She removes her wig, she removes her makeup, she removes her dark glasses also. And then he's seeing that after she removes her dark glasses, then he's seeing some shrunken eyes inside. And then he's seeing some white hair of this lady. And makeup ke saath to she's looking very nice. So painkiller might give you some, you can say that little temporary patch कि थोड़े देर के लिए ठीक करेगा. And like that only this whole this material world जो है, ये चमक धमक की जो जिंदगी है, ये जो है मॉडर्न लाइफस्टाइल है, ये बहुत हमारे माइंड को जो है इम्प्रेस करता है कि अरे ये हमें हैप्पीनेस देगी, ये चीज हमें हैप्पीनेस देगी, वो चीज हमें हैप्पीनेस देगी. बट if you see that there are so much of you can say that एपिडेमिक हो जाता है, प्राइवेसी लॉस हो जाती है, लाइफस्टाइल डिजीज हो जाती है, लोनलीनेस हो जाता है लोगों को, इंटरनेट एडिक्शंस हो जाता है, बिहाइंड दिस पर्टिकुलर होल सोशल मीडिया ग्लोबल कम्युनिटी. अभी रिसेंटली वी आर सीइंग दैट देयर इज सो मच ऑफ वॉर बिटवीन कंट्रीज. एंड दिस होल थिंग एक्चुअली इफ यू गो टू सी, ये पूरा इंद्र तृप्ति का खेल है. इंद्र तृप्ति यानी everybody wants to run in the rat race that I am great, and my country is great, and I want to be the richest person. I want to do this. Iran is fighting that हमारी तीन शर्तें मान लो. America, the prime minister, the president is saying that we want to rule over the whole world, and because of that so many lives are lost. So if you see that behind many smiling profile pictures there are empty crying hearts as such. कितनी अच्छे अच्छे pose लोग देंगे, like this and like that and all, but all these people are very much empty in their hearts. उनके पास प्यार नहीं है, उनके पास आनंद नहीं है, उनके पास peace नहीं है, उनके पास confusion ही confusion है. They don't know also what to do with their life. So that is why you can say that it's just temporary patchwork as such. And then when you have these drawbacks of these pain, the superficial solutions also, they create bigger problems. Like once this man, he was actually meditating sitting under the tree near a riverside, and suddenly he saw that in his beard, two, three ants have crawled in. So he didn't want to kill them actually. So what he did is, he saw that these ants are coming from this particular tree only. So he actually just put his beard actually near the tree. But these ants did not come out from his beard. But what happened? More ants climbed into his beard. And then it created a big problem. And what exactly happened? Because all these ants started crawling onto his beard, he actually jumped into that particular river, and actually he killed so many ants. Now he wanted to save two, three ants, but in return, what happened? That big army of ants, they were scrambling on his face and neck, and that's why he had to. So initially, he decided to save those ants, but he killed so many of them as such. Similarly, we have invented so many cars to make our travels, very nice, comfortable travels. But our cities have become gas chambers. In this चक्कर में कितना pollution हो गया है, कितना एक्सीडेंट्स होते जा रहे हैं, and so much of traffic jam, so much of time waste going from one place to another. So we solved the problem of walking, and actually then we invited breathing problem, क्योंकि इतना चोकअप हो जाते हैं आजकल पोल्यूशन की वजह से. Then see, in previous times we used to never wear this mask and go to school. I still remember I never wore a mask and went to school. It's only when that whole traffic started, and then that's why we all started wearing masks and those dupattas and everything. So we have so many luxuries, but yet we do not have clean water, pure air. इतना कुछ हमारे पास आज भी नहीं है. So if you see that so much of superficial solutions हमारे पास है, लेकिन ये जो है टेक्नोलॉजी आगे बढ़ गई है, लेकिन कुछ ना कुछ बड़े प्रॉब्लम्स ही क्रिएट कर रही है, राइट. वन प्रॉब्लम है तो दूसरा प्रॉब्लम आ ही जाता है. देन वी आर इन अ illusion of a greater control. So illusion of greater control means what? टेक्नोलॉजी हैज टेक्नोलॉजी इतनी आगे बढ़ गई है टुडे दैट वी आर लिविंग सो मच विथ क्रिटिकल केयर, एंड इमरजेंसीज में भी हमारे पास बहुत अच्छे सॉल्यूशंस है. बट देर इज अ फॉल्स प्रोपेगेंडा दैट आवर लाइफ एक्सपेक्टेंसी हैज increased because history is witness to that generations of our grandparents who lived for 90 years or more. And many millennials also can dream to live that long. But what about the quality of life? हर किसी को 100 साल जीना है, लेकिन क्वालिटी ऑफ लाइफ है क्या हमारे पास? जितने भी बेस्ट एफर्ट्स हम लोग डाल दे, फिजिशियंस के पास जो है आज भी आंसर्स नहीं है टू दीज मॉडर्न डिजीजेस. लाइक फॉर एग्जाम्पल, पीपल हैव डायबिटीज. डायबिटीज का इतना क्योर है नहीं. फिर आजकल स्लीप डिसऑर्डर्स हो गए हैं. पीपल स्लीप एट 11, 1, 2, बिकॉज इवन I have seen so many people, those who are spiritualist also, they also don't sleep. Means what? That you are into spirituality and still you sleep by 11, 1. You should be sleeping by 9 or 10 o'clock, maximum 10 o'clock. But there are people that they actually sleep, they don't get sleep, they get panic attacks sometimes, and cancer hai, AIDS hai. So while one disease seems to get cured, then 10 new other challenges appear, because of this. So, over dependence on these smartphones and gadgets, has backfired as a spillover on the effect of relationships also. कि आप देखिए ना, in a family, everybody has a mobile phone, right? And when everybody has a mobile phone, everybody is on their mobile. Previously, I remember in our times actually when there was no mobile, nothing. We used to have dinner together. We used to have even lunch together. We used to go on outings every weekend. My parents used to take us out. And if it is a 3, 4 day weekend, like for example, 15th August आ गया, तो then Thursday को अगर 15th August आ गया, means Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, we move out. Immediately we move out for Lonavala or Mahabaleshwar. Anyway, we'll move out. So there was a very nice family time also. And nowadays, actually, people don't have family time because education इतना ये हो गया है that people have to travel so far, and people have to study that hard to go into that particular rat race. So human beings are not simple machines to be, controlled. We also have emotions, feelings, sensitiveness. And instead of loving people, what are we doing is we are using things. And we love things and use people. सो हम लोग लोगों को प्यार नहीं करते, हम एक्चुअली अभी चीजों को प्यार करने लगे. किसी को अपने एप्पल आईफोन से बहुत प्यार है, किसी को अपने बीएमडब्ल्यू कार से बहुत प्रेम है, क्योंकि ही इज आइडेंटिफाइंग हिमसेल्फ विद दैट बीएमडब्ल्यू. ही इज थिंकिंग आई एम ओनली बीएमडब्ल्यू, शी इज थिंकिंग आई एम ओनली आईफोन. तो बहुत आइडेंटिफाई कर लेते हैं कि यही ऑल इन ऑल है मेरे लिए. This phone is only all in all for me. This iPhone is the best, and this iPhone is only all in all. and मेरी जो identity है is connected to this particular iPhone. So they identify also themselves with that particular phone. But that phone is a dead matter. That phone is never going to give you permanent happiness at all. So that is why, we are not in control of our time also. Like, for example, sometimes we go in very fast speed train or something like that, and fast Wi-Fi and bullet trains and airplanes and everything, and then still people are complaining lack of time. फिर भी उनके पास टाइम नहीं है. इतना कुछ दौड़ रहे, भाग रहे, सब कुछ उनके पास, इंस्टेंट फूड, इंस्टेंट टी, इंस्टेंट कॉफी, सब कुछ मिल रहा है, लेकिन फिर भी बोल रहे मेरे पास टाइम नहीं है. सो नाउ वी मे बी कंपेल्ड टू टेक कॉल्स 24/7. कभी कभी अब देखना, कई लोग 24/7 कॉल पे ही रहते हैं, मेनी पीपल लाइक दैट. एंड they remain hooked to their social media handles and mobiles. सोशल मीडिया हैंडल पे लोग ज्यादा करके क्यों जाते हैं? बिकॉज they want validation on social media. मेरे फेसबुक पे, मेरे ट्विटर पे, मेरे इंस्टाग्राम पे, हाउ मेनी लाइक्स एम आई गेटिंग, एज इफ their happiness is connected with those likes and dislikes and that validation from people, that how many virtual people like you, how many real people are near you and in your own house, and how many they love you. आपको उसकी परवाह नहीं है. लेकिन कितने लोग ऑनलाइन जो आपको कभी जिंदगी में देखा भी नहीं होगा, and then you want validation from that, oh we love you, and nice एक heart emoji and everything. So this is all artificial, this is all superficial, जो हमें कभी आनंद नहीं देने वाला है. And then are sense gratification and scientific advancement bad? So see, हम कैसे उसको इस्तेमाल करते हैं, it depends on that, right? So sense gratification and scientific advancement, actually they are neutral, neither good nor bad. वो लोग न्यूट्रल है. किस तरह से? कि सेंस ग्रेटिफिकेशन कैसा है कि नमक की तरह है, जितना जरूरी है उतना ले लोगे तो अच्छा है. टू मच और टू लेस इज डिसटेस्टफुल. एंड जो हमारे इंद्रियों को कंट्रोल करना है, यानी हमारी जितनी सेंसेस है ना, वी हैव 5 सेंसेस, राइट, प्रॉपरली. तो वो कंट्रोल भी हमारे हाथ में ही है. जैसे somebody who's riding a horse, तो उसकी जो लगाम है वो घुड़सवार के पास होती है, राइट. द हॉर्स राइडर इज इन कंट्रोल ऑफ दैट हॉर्स. तो वो ज्यादा खींचेगा तो वो हॉर्स जो है वो दम घुट जाएगा उसका, राइट. एंड वो बहुत ढीला छोड़ेगा तो हॉर्स भागता जाएगा, इन एनी डायरेक्शन ही विल रन. सेंसेस आर लाइक दैट ओनली, कि आपको बीच की लगाम रखनी पड़ेगी, नीदर टू लूज नॉर टू टाइट, एंड दैट इज वाई बैलेंस इज द की. So even these scientific tools that are there, they are actually also impartial. मतलब वो कोई भेदभाव नहीं करते हैं. It's just like for example एक चाकू है, तो चाकू अगर कोई क्रिमिनल यूज करेगा तो मर्डर कर देगा. लेकिन वही चाकू अगर सर्जन के हाथ में आ जाती है तो वो किसी की जान भी बचा सकता है. और एक कोई जो पॉकेट मार है, he can only he can only take away my wallet, which is wallet मतलब मेरा पर्स ले जा सकता है, ठीक है, जिसमें मेरे ख्याल से आज की डेट में बहुत लोग जो है वो पर्स में ज्यादा पैसे रखते नहीं, 100-200 की ज्यादा रखते नहीं है. बट एन एडुकेटेड thief, he can digitally empty your bank balance also, पूरा बैंक लूट सकता है वो. So science can be very extremely helpful also or harmful also, depending upon that character of that particular user. उसकी नीयत कैसी है उस व्यक्ति की, it is dependent on that only. And then when we see if somebody has a good character, then he will actually, किसी का बटुआ गिर गया तो ढूंढेगा और उसको दे देगा, right? So then let's see कि temporary happiness में we have painkiller and cure, but under that we have sense gratification and scientific advancement. So mind and energy healing. So see, there are many self-help books in the market available, and so many motivation speakers and videos and TEDx speakers are there, and podcasts are there. But these can help us only in our temporary problems, but they cannot liberate us from old age, death, or any diseases, right? They can only help us to some extent, not a great extent. There are many laughter clubs also, laughter therapy and comedy clubs and all are there. And that humor, you can say, can only uplift a particular person's spirit. A smile can make, the world a difference, maybe. But the question still, is that can a smile alone help to solve the problems of life or the permanent problems of life successfully? So even there are so many comedians, if you must have seen, that they were able to make the whole world laugh. बट अंदर में वो खुद भी जो है वो जो बहुत ही डिप्रेस थे एंड दे हैव कमिटेड सुसाइड. लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल द फेमस कॉमेडियन चार्ली चैपलिन, he had committed suicide. So they were pretty lonely inside. So one day, one very depressed man, no, he went to the psychiatrist, and because he had lost all his passion for life and nothing could inspire him, and he was thinking that मुझे मेरे लिए कुछ नहीं है. So this psychiatrist, no, psychiatrist क्या बोले कि मेरे पास जो है कुछ ड्रग्स है, मतलब कुछ दवाइयाँ है जो आपको हेल्प करेंगे. एंड देन लेकिन उससे भी एक बेहतर, एक और अच्छी आइडिया है मेरे पास. So then, this psychiatrist, he opens the curtain and he sees, do you see the tent over there? वहां पे एक बहुत अच्छा सर्कस लगा हुआ है. एंड दैट सर्कस का जो क्लाउन है ना, वो बहुत ही जीनियस है. ही इज सो फनी दैट ही कैन मेक यू लाफ, एंड सो मच सो दैट यू विल फॉरगेट ऑल योर ट्रबल्स. सो इमेजिन व्हाट दैट मैन इज सेइंग. ही इज एक्चुअली, वो बिल्कुल सर नीचे रख के जो है वो साइकेट्रिस्ट को क्या कहता है कि वो जो सर्कस में जो क्लाउन है वो कौन है आपको पता है? वो मैं ही हूँ. So, so many laughter therapies and comedies and all also, so they cannot help us to solve the permanent problems of life successfully. And then we have, the NLP, CBT, de-addiction group. NLP मतलब क्या? न्यूरो लिंग्विस्टिक प्रोग्रामिंग. एंड CBT यानी कॉग्निटिव बिहेवियरल थेरेपी. किसी को बिहेवियरल इश्यूज होते हैं या बायपोलर डिजीजेस होती है ना, अभी बहुत अच्छी तरह से आपके साथ बात करेंगे. बट आफ्टर अ फ्यू मिनट्स, he will behave so erratic and he'll start beating you or she'll start yelling at you like that. इस तरह से. So these, all these cognitive behavioral therapies and all, de-addiction groups and all, they can only make us aware of our unhealthy habits or mental patterns. And they are meant to help us reprogram our or design our brains. But we can still reflect that can any form or group of therapy challenge death? They can stop the advancement of time. वक्त को रोक सकता है, या जो है ओल्ड एज से हमें बचा सकता है, या जितने भी प्रॉब्लम्स है, बर्थ, डेथ, ओल्ड एज एंड डिजीज, कैन ऑल दीज थिंग्स सेव अस फ्रॉम दैट? एंड स्टिल पीपल थिंकिंग कि ये सब हमें बचाएगा. बहुत सारे इल्यूजन में लोग हैं एक्चुअली. एंड देन सम पीपल थिंक, ओ योगा एंड मेडिटेशन, प्राणिक हीलिंग है, रेकी है, एक्यूपंक्चर है, और उनको लगता है अब डिफरेंट आसनास जो है, यम नियम आसन जो है. बट एक्चुअली योगा इज meant for meant to connect us with our own selves. वो एक्चुअली साइड में रह जाता है और कुछ और ही जो है कुछ चलते रहता है. सो इन दिस fast paced modern lifestyle, they have been reduced to that पेन किलर कि हाँ भाई, जोड़ों में दर्द है तो चलो भाई योगा आसन कर लो, या फिर जो है साइनस है तो भाई जल नेति कर लो, या तो फिर जो है हाथों में दर्द है या नेक में दर्द है तो घुमाते रहो एंड ऑल. So these are just temporary problems, And then actually we have superficial religion and rituals. So superficial religion and rituals मतलब क्या? कि just they don't when sense gratification and this emotional healing they fail to give us that everlasting happiness, then people will turn to religion. like चलो भाई है ना. But ये religious rituals जो होते हैं, धर्म के कुछ ऐसे टोटके जो होते हैं, है ना, without any spiritual essence, will actually just be some pious entertainment. कि हाँ भाई आए और भाई ऐसे ऐसे किया. ऑफ कोर्स दीज आर ऑल ओके. योर एक क्या कहते हैं, इट्स अ expression of thinking that okay, if I made any mistake, please forgive me and ask. But it's just like a maybe a feel good factor है. what temporary feel good factor है. like somebody will say black magic आपके जो है, या लव प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व कर देगा. कोई बंगाली बाबा जो है वो आपको जो है बोलेगा कि आपकी सब समस्या का जड़ जो है उसे हम जड़ को ही खत्म कर देंगे. एंड बट बेचारे ना इनोसेंट पीपल, दे रियली डोंट नो ओनली कि दे आर बीइंग फूल्ड एक्चुअली. उनको पता ही नहीं चलता कि धर्म के नाम पे ना बहुत सारे लोग आपको बेवकूफ बना दे. ये जो है वो भस्म है, या कोई चीनी है, या कोई व्हाइट पाउडर है, ऐसे दे देंगे ये खा लो सुबह शाम. वो व्हाइट पाउडर होगा क्या, मेरे ख्याल से बोन्स का ही चूरा होता है. या कोई चीनी दे देंगे, या कोई भस्म जो है, जो ऐसी लकड़ी जलाई होगी उनके किचन में और उसकी भस्म दे देते कि ये भस्म ले लो. and people think that these things will work for us, but this is blind following. And such blind followers accept anyone with this flowing robe, बड़े बड़ी दाढ़ी से, उनको लगता है कि अरे ये जो है वो संत महात्मा है. बट दे आर जस्ट इम्प्रेस्ड विद सम जगलरी वर्ड्स, से शब्दों का जाल इस्तेमाल करते हैं, या कोई जो ऐसे कुछ तुनतुना बजा रहा है उससे बड़े इम्प्रेस हो जाएंगे. एंड दे गेट एक्चुअली चीटेड इन द नेम ऑफ रिलीजन. एंड दैट इज व्हाई दे वोंट do any reflection on the self or seek some spiritual instructions from self-realized sages in these sacred yatra. देखिए आप कोई भी यात्रा स्थल पे जाते हो ना, चाहे वो यमुनोत्री, गंगोत्री, केदारनाथ, बद्रीनाथ है ना, तो उस जगह का एक महत्व होता है. एंड द इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ एनी spiritual place is that you connect with your own self, and when you connect with your own self, then you're able to connect with the Lord. बट अभी तक हम अपने आप से ही कनेक्ट नहीं हुए हैं, तो फिर भगवान के साथ भी किस तरह से कनेक्ट हो जाएंगे. तो दीज पीपल नो दे आर नॉट एबल टू कनेक्ट ऑल्सो विद. सो ऑल दीज पेन किलर्स जो भी है ना, चाहे वो सुपरफिशियल रिलीजन, योगा हो, मेडिटेशन हो, लाफ्टर थेरेपी हो, या सेल्फ हेल्प बुक्स हो, पॉजिटिव थिंकिंग हो, या जो है कॉग्निटिव बिहेवियरल थेरेपीज हो, these they can be helpful only when they are coupled with some permanent cure. And that is why आपका जो next section जो आ रहा है will be actually permanent happiness, which I'll be taking in the next session as such. So we have seen about temporary happiness, and temporary happiness में we just saw the SMS मतलब क्या, that sense gratification and scientific advancement, mind and energy healing, and superficial spirituality. So actually we can just think also on this particular terms कि क्या temporary happiness is only all in all जो हमें मिल रही. इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि we don't do only any activity, हम बिना activity के हो जाए. It's not that. We have to do our activity, but at the same time we have to understand that this is not all in all for me. ये जो चीज मैं कर रही हूँ ये all in all नहीं रहने वाली है. It's a passing phase, ये वक्त भी गुजर जाएगा. But we have to be equipoised. चाहे अच्छा टाइम आए चाहे बुरा टाइम आए, कृष्णा जो है वो कहते हैं ना, मात्र स्पर्शास्तु कौन्ते शीतोष्ण सुख दुखदा आगामी पाइन अनित्या ताम तितिक्षो भारत. तो चाहे गर्मी हो, धूप हो, अभी देखो गर्मी कैसे बढ़ गई है, राइट. So we don't say, no, okay, I'll stop cooking in the kitchen now. Or your mother will not say that she'll stop cooking in the kitchen. or the father will not say, I will stop going outside now, it's too hot, I'm going to stay in the home only, मैं ऑफिस नहीं जाने वाला हूँ, बिजनेस नहीं करने वाला हूँ, बहुत गर्मी हो गई. और ठंड में दे दो उनसे, oh, it's too cold outside, I'm not going to go outside at all. So at least in Pune, Maharashtra, we don't have so much of cold. But if you see north areas and foreign countries, they have to wear, 4, 4, 5, 5 inners inside and a big jacket and a coat outside, and they have to move outside. But nobody will say that way, right? Still, people will, accept the reality. They will accept it. Yes, it is cold right now, and I have to go ahead. It is hot right now. It is raining right now, and I have to do my duty. I cannot, shun down my duties and say, okay, मैं नहीं जाने वाला हूँ या मैं नहीं जाने वाली हूँ इस तरह से. So okay, I just halt over here. But the next session is going to be a very, very interesting session, that how can we get permanent happiness? And कहाँ पे हमें ये permanent happiness ढूंढना है? We'll be actually just throwing light on, this as such. So if anybody has any questions, doubts, you can just ask me, right? You can put it in the chat, you can raise. If true happiness cannot come from sense gratification, then why do we see everyone running after that? Yeah, because of ignorance. Matlab, you can say that there is a saying that many people are innocent in their ignorance. Ignorance मतलब क्या, उनके पास वो ज्ञान ही नहीं है कि हमें ट्रू हैप्पीनेस कहाँ ढूंढना है. और ये जितनी भी इंद्रियां है, ये इंद्रियों को कहाँ पे लगाना है, उनकी सही जगह कहाँ पे है, वेयर दे विल गेट हैप्पीनेस. So you are doing normal things. You're eating, you're going for picnic, you're going for your college, you're getting married, you're going for your office, you're going for, foreign trips and all. So your senses are there with you all the time, है ना? ऐसा तो नहीं ना कि हम सेंसेस को बोलेंगे भाई हम छुट्टी पे जा रहे, तुम भी छुट्टी पे रह जाओ. तो सेंसेस को तो हम पीछे नहीं छोड़ सकते हैं. बट इन सेंसेस को किस तरह से इस्तेमाल करना है, जैसे मैंने पहले भी कहा कि नाइफ इन द हैंड ऑफ अ सर्जन एंड द नाइफ इन द हैंड ऑफ अ मर्डरर, how you utilize these senses is actually the key. If you utilize it in a proper way, then it will actually, help you out. But if you do not utilize these senses, then they will backfire you only. क्योंकि ओवर इंडल्जिंग इन ईटिंग विल क्या होगा, ओबेसिटी बढ़ जाएगी. ओवर सीइंग ऑफ मोबाइल्स एंड टेलीविजन, आंखें खराब हो जाएगी. बहुत बहुत कम उम्र में आंखें खराब हो जाती है हमारी. मतलब कैटरैक्ट प्रॉब्लम्स हो सकते हैं या रेटिना प्रॉब्लम्स हो सकते हैं. अभी छोटे छोटे बच्चों को भी कितने रेटिना प्रॉब्लम्स है. इफ यू सी, हैव यू सीन कि इसकी आंखें ये अंधी हो गई, और मेंटल डिसऑर्डर हो गया छोटे छोटे बच्चों को. सो I told you balance is the key. If you balance, then these senses are very cooperative. बहुत अच्छा आपको help भी करेंगे. But if you don't balance it out, then these senses are going to backfire you only. यहाँ पे उल्टे पड़ जाएंगे. बहुत ज्यादा आजकल है ना, को लोग कान से वो सुनते हैं ना, वो कान में लगा के, right? What are called? They're called earpods, right? So I don't use earpods at all. Very rarely I might use it with my old phone. But with my new phone, I have not purchased only earpods. So मेरा तो life actually कैसे, it's like an open book. Even if I put it on the speaker and anybody around me can hear. ठीक है, what that person is going to speak to me is not going to speak to me anything अलग से. So there is no secret also as such. I always, if I want to hear, I will put it on speaker and I'll speak to that particular person as such. And that is why then, at least कुछ चीजें कम कर सकते हैं हम लोग. आजकल छोटे छोटे बच्चे भी वो ईयरपॉड लगाते हैं तो कान बहरे हो जाते हैं. एंड दे गो लिटिल मेंटली इम्बैलेंस्ड ऑल्सो. while walking also, they trip off and all. And then it was discovered by the doctors कि ये बहुत ही ज्यादा मोबाइल फोन्स देखते हैं या गेम्स खेलते, छोटे छोटे बच्चे ना बहुत गेम्स खेलते हैं एक्चुअली ऑन दिस. तो ये भी बहुत हानिकारक है. what happens is that when you are glued to that mobile screen na, so then what has happened is that mobile screen has overtaken you. उसमें आपको हावी कर दिया, ही इज कंट्रोलिंग यू, आर नॉट कंट्रोलिंग दैट मोबाइल स्क्रीन, बट मोबाइल स्क्रीन इज नाउ कंट्रोलिंग यू. So then why should you give the controllership to that screen, no? You will have a particular this that मुझे किस पर कंट्रोल करना है नहीं करना है, right? So there's another question. What is the danger of practicing rituals without genuine devotion? Yeah, this is also a very nice question actually you've asked that. When there are some rituals that you are following, तो उसके अंदर एक genuine love for that particular god होना चाहिए. So for example, somebody has a lot of आस्था with गणपति और शिव जी और कृष्णा और देवी माँ, है ना? तो उसके अंदर आपका जेन्युइन प्रेम होना चाहिए उस भगवान के लिए. ये नहीं है कि आप बाटर एक्सचेंज कर दे बेटो, अरे मैं ना पास हो जाऊंगी ना 5 नारियल आप पे फोड़ूंगी या आपके सामने लाके पटकूंगी. इमेजिन somebody coming and banging some 5 nariyals in front of us. How will we feel? So let's have a genuine respect also for that particular lord. कि अच्छा आपने बहुत अच्छी तरह से जो है मैंने आपको जो मांगा आपने पूरा किया हुआ है, तो लेट मी ऑफर समथिंग बेटर. मे बी वो नारियल के ही अच्छे लड्डू बना के लेके जाओ, बट लोग क्या करेंगे, 5 नारियल खटाखट खटाखट फोड़ते रहेंगे वो भगवान के सामने, विच इज नॉट, इट इज अ डिसरिस्पेक्ट टू दैट पर्टिकुलर लॉर्ड ऑल्सो. सो ये जो रिचुअल्स जो है, एक्चुअली यू कैन नॉट से रिचुअल व्हेन इट इज विद डिवोशन, देन इट इज विद लव ऑल्सो. तो जिससे भी हम प्रेम करते हैं वो जेन्युइनली आपका प्रेम दिखाई देना चाहिए इन योर एक्शंस, एंड लव कैन बी शोन ओनली इन एक्शंस. लव कैन नॉट बी शोन इन वर्ड्स. इसलिए आप देखना ये जगलरी वर्ड्स इस्तेमाल करते हैं ना, और जो है इम्प्रेस करते हैं, बट सामने वाले के हृदय तक छू ही नहीं पा रहा है. पर लेकिन if somebody has genuine concern for that person, he will give the ultimate benefit also for that person. जो उसके परम हित के लिए है वो वही सॉल्यूशन देंगे. लेकिन प्रॉब्लम क्या है पता है आपको? प्रॉब्लम यही है कि जो सॉल्यूशन दे रहा है तो उसको भी पता नहीं है कि इसका परम हित किसमें है. He also does not have that solution at all. Only one person will have the solution, and that is Lord Himself will have the solution. If you go to Him with genuine devotion, He will give you the solution. वो किसी ऐसे व्यक्ति से आपको मिला देगा जो genuinely आपके साथ concerned है, जो भगवान ने उसको empower किया होगा, and He will help you out with that genuine concern for you. And आपका जो ultimate benefit होगा, ultimate हित होगा, वो आपको उसी दिशा में ले जाएगा. ये नहीं कि टोटके करेगा या भाई देखो भस्म दे देगा, या फिर अपने हाथ में से कहीं से शर्ट में से कोई चेन निकाल के दे देगा और आपको लगेगा ओ बाबा जी महाराज ने तो मुझे चेन दे दिया एंड ऑल दैट. सी दीज पीपल ऑल्सो ना, सम साधुज एंड सम दिस, दे हैव एक्चुअली स्पिरिचुअलिटी को बहुत अपमान किया हुआ है, जेन्युइन डिवोशन को भी बहुत अपमान किया हुआ है, इन द सेंस दैट लोगों की आस्थाओं के साथ दे हैव प्लेड. Now, if you see in India, there are many people who don't want to take up to spirituality only because of this thing, that where is that genuine person who can show us the genuine path. तो देखिए मैं हमेशा सबको यही बोलती हूँ कि अगर आपको प्रामाणिक गुरु चाहिए तो भगवान आपको प्रामाणिक गुरु के पास ही ले जाएंगे. अगर आपको ढोंगी गुरु चाहिए जो आपके इशारों पे चले, तो फिर ढोंगी गुरु ढोंगी चेला नरक में ठेलम ठेला. So then, when you genuinely are finding a good spiritual master or a good spiritual mentor or a teacher, तो भगवान आपको उसी मेंटर के साथ मिलाएंगे. लेकिन अगर किसी को टेम्पररी चीजें चाहिए तो उसको वो टेम्पररी ही व्यक्ति मिल जाएगा, और जो उसको बहुत बेवकूफ, बहुत हद तक बेवकूफ बना देगा और बहुत सारी दक्षिणा लेगा उसके पास से, बहुत सारे पैसे. लेकिन जेन्युइन गुरु जो है इज नॉट कंसर्न विद द मनी, because a genuine guru will not even have a bank balance or bank account also, and that person will have whatever his life is, his life is only propagating the holy names of the Lord or spreading the message of the Lord. इस तरह से ठीक है ना. So yeah, if there are no questions further, so let's wind up for the day. Srila Prabhupada ki jai, Gaur Bhakta Vrinda ki jai, Hare Krishna, Hari Bol.